Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today, the Big Bang. Yep, last time I beat Black Hole, now, I fight in the Big Bang, which apparently is possible in Battle Cats, but, I guess, sure, why not? So, this is my normal deck with Bazzy Bond instead of BCS Tigerclaw because he's an excellent anti-alien. And yeah, I kinda doubt that I'm gonna win to beat this. So, also, Octopus Cat instead of a Razor Cat. You know, there might be some wave attackers, and I don't actually deploy a Razor Cat all that much because he is inferior to Crazed Wall. And yeah, usually I don't need that many meat shields. And epic music playing. Yep, I can't hear it during the voiceover, but I remember it was very epic. And okay, there's the final boss. It's the Cat God. And I don't know, it's some strong alien enemies. Okay, so we try and defeat these guys. Hopefully that Star Peng and General Grigori and Shibalian Elite all very powerful. I mean, Shibalian Elite not so powerful, but I mean, yeah. Okay, so Bazzy Bond, go. Okay, and bang. Okay, yeah, that was pretty good. But I need to fire again. Bang. Okay, good. Now it's just Star Peng. And he died. And God, Cat Cannon. And there you go, lots of damage. And oh no, Abraham's down. Abraham's down. Oh, that's not good. Not in the slightest. Okay, and bang. Ow. Okay, Bazzy Bond survived because he only got hit twice. He didn't survive because Cat God is an alien enemy, because he's not an alien enemy. He's considered as floating. But anyway, oh no, dead. Okay. Yeah, this is not very good, looking very good, guys. Now I have absolutely nothing to fight Star Peng and friends, which isn't good because, you know, they gotta kill everything. And Cat Cannon, yeah, okay, did small amounts of help there, but not all that good. And okay, what to do? I guess I know where. It's hard to save up for everything. Okay, I think I'm gonna save up for like Bazzy Bond or something. I think. Okay, but this isn't looking very good. Oh no, they're closing in. I know it. And okay. So 74%. But you see, guys, I have a bunch of rich cats flying around, and I think it'll be useful. So we do this, and the epic music begins. Yep. And so Cat God is here, and so is Star Peng. Yep. And okay, so Bazzy Bond hopefully can kill this first wave of powerful alien enemies. I'm not calling them peons because peons are like enemy meat shields, and I guess they are sort of meat shields for Cat Gods, but they're very powerful for meat shields. So yeah. And Cat Gods. Okay, we sort of delayed his attack. Yeah. Okay, we let Abraham get one hit off, but that's not much. No. Okay. And up. Oh no. Bazibon is no more, which is sad because Bazibon is pretty cool. And okay. Now bang, bang, bang. That's not good. Not good. Bang, bang, bang. I should have bought in like something anti-floating. Like I have nothing that's anti-floating. Well, nothing good at least. And the cat cannon, there we go, stop his attack animation. And bang, bang, bang. Not good, not good. Okay. Yeah, like, save up. Okay. Let's just catalyze Jizo strat. And hopefully we can kill something that can give us enough money to get Bazibon so that he can kill everything else. And oh no. Okay, Starpang down. And okay, all things have been killed, and Bazibon is up, and Cat Guard's attacks, but wasn't quite in range, so wasn't all that harmful. And oh no, I might have deployed Abraham at the wrong time. Yeah, Abraham, not the best timing. No, don't. Cat canning is for stopping his attack animation. Not okay. Good knockback. And everything dies. Yeah. Okay. And so we deal as much damage as possible. Oh no, more strong alien enemies. He just go away. Please, Lasola, please turn back. It would be very nice of you if you could do that. Okay, maybe not. And okay, everything gets destroyed. Catbon is very powerful. And we could defeat him if he was on his own, but he's definitely not on his own. He's come with an army of starred aliens. And okay, this is intense. Near save and okay, wait, Bazibon not quite saved up for, and bang. Okay, Bazibon, Bazibon, doing proud. Yeah, okay. Look, okay, Bazibon managed to survive the attack. Cat's got attack, and now go. Bazibon, I have high hopes for you that you're capable of killing Lasola. Okay, I think he broke Lasola's barrier. Now, Abraham, actually wait. And there we go. Abraham is not being the most useful of things here, but I mean, no, I'm crazy. No, Bahamas would be even less useful. Won't get to the cat on time. And okay, we delays the attack, allowing for about 50,000 extra damage. And right now everything's dead, and a bunch of Starpangs are here. Okay, yeah. If Bazibon has slower recharge speed, we'd probably be doomed because like we won't be able to beat these aliens without Bazibon. Yeah, he has quite a funny name. Anyway, I'm talking like this because it is intense, and I'm trying to reenact how intense it was. And okay, charge, shoot him. Yes, can knock back, and cat cannon, and deal a lot more damage. And bang, 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 bang. Lots of damage. Bazibon's still here though, somehow. And okay, Bazibon's attack animation's a bit too long. Yeah, and okay, cast like Jizo, try to save up for something. Like Abraham, hopefully he can deal 100,000 damage. Like at least one attack, you know. And okay. Okay, that's another knockback. I'll deploy him like after I can cat can, so like it's his life a bit. Like, extend his life a bit. And fire. Okay, I probably should have deployed him before the aliens got here, because now he's dead, and that's not good. Okay, and intense music is still playing, and it is, okay, yeah, okay, stop playing down, and another stop playing down. Now, Jizo stack, come on, shoot him, no. And Bezibon got knocks back, and, okay, yeah, so, deal damage, and do it, but, RIP Bazibon. Okay, Cat saved up to, like, help deal damage. I forgot to can them, but okay. Yeah, okay. And bang, bang. The third hit does like practically nothing because everything's within range is already dead by then. And bang. Okay. And bang. Okay. Bazibon, we need you. Bazibon, please come. Okay. Starpang, please go away. Or preferably like guys that we can like get some money to like get Bazibon. No, can't God. Please don't attack. Okay, Bazibon survived. Bazibon isn't useful against the cat god. His movement speed and attack animation are too slow. Okay. Charge. Please go away, cat god. Why are you trying to kill us? That isn't even explained at all. Ponos couldn't come up for a good reason of why the cat god is trying to kill you in this stage. So, yeah, it just didn't come up with an explanation at all, apparently. And, okay. Yeah, more Starpangs. That's not good news. And everything got destroyed. There's nothing left to fight the Starpangs. And oh no. Okay. No. And defeats. No, guys. That's not good. What? Boss HP 1%? We have to do this. And so, okay. And can he die from the cat can? No, he's not that low. Still has 140,000 health left actually. And Abraham, go! Yeah, yes, Abraham. Okay, the enemy, even with their leader dead, the enemies are putting up quite a bit of a fight there. And, okay, Spacefish Jones is here. But like bastard, he's no cat god. Yep, sorry Spacefish Jones, but you're not as powerful. You're not gonna stop us, especially once Bazibon eventually gets here. Wait, actually he is here. Okay, that's good, because like, you know, if Bazibon wasn't here, then we might get pushed back. And donk. Housewife cast goes over. Whack. And bang. Okay. Deal loads of damage, please. That would be nice. And it's a bunch of General Grigories. So please go away. Please? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and now Bazibon 2.0 here. Actually, it's just a copy of the original Bazibon. But you know, he's gotta help out if he can get there on time. But it's victory, yay! We beat Cats the Cosmos 1. And we didn't get the superior treasure. But anyway, it didn't bring in treasure radar because it didn't think I beat the stage. But anyway, yeah. Okay, this is different to Into the Future or Empire of Cats. And so, the Cat Empire achieved total domination of the entire universe. Somehow only did it in 48 battles. How do you even take over the universe? It's too big of a place. But anyways, Spent Galactic Federation by the cats, for the cats. Cosmos has achieved total peace and unlimited cat food for all. That's the official story. But the reality is a little different. Everyone's daily life didn't actually change one bit. The one weird thing is that all the constellations now look like cats. Cats and only cats. Or maybe it's just me. Actually, I was at a New Year's party for the Cat Army and Alien Empire. I went to be polite, but these cats and aliens just turned their backs and ignored me. Talking about time travel, mind control, and all kinds of obscure technical topics. At some point the world went blurry, because I've had ones out too many. Because when I came to, I was all alone. Actually, I think it was nice of them not to wake me, because I felt very well rested for a week after. Oh yeah, that's right. I was 31 Tuesday, so I went to the battlefield with the Cat Army to kill some time. I haven't had such a good time since grade school gym class. Won't you believe me? Of course not, dears. Well, as the Cat God, I can't just leave those guys to lose, right? You're a great kid. Yay! I'm going to grant you your dearest wishes. No, not that one, you could. You'll see what I mean. Congratulations to the Battle Cats. Thank you, Battle Cats. Onwards to the realm of legends. The end, even though there's 2 more chapters. Thank you for playing, even though there's 2 more chapters. Yay. And and you've earned the Bless You the Cat God. That's pretty cool, I guess. And new chapter, which is pretty cool. See, is Passion of Cat Gods. And yeah. So now, anyway, guys, that's all for this video. It's been a pretty long video, pretty long stage, but I'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Yep, bye.